Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use my fully editable invoice templates. So let's dive in. Once you open the files, you will notice that there are 4 templates that you can play around with. Each template has its own unique design for you to make something more customized for yourself. If you go back to the first template, you will see that I have a very basic structure of all the information a creative invoice should have, from the client address to the invoice date to the invoice number and a logo area placement, along with your tally, your subtotal, and your bank details, which are very important. So once you understand the structure of the invoice, you can see that you can change the colors and make it as custom and as unique as you would like it to be, and change around even the graphic elements that are there in the background. All you have to do is unlock the background layer and double click, get into the isolation mode and move things around that fit your bill. And that's literally all. So you can do the same thing for all the 4 templates that are there. The graphic elements in one layer which is locked, so make sure you unlock it, and your text layer in the other. So you can add in all your details for your clients to get a very clean and nice invoice to work with. To purchase these templates, simply click on the link below and you will get an exclusive discount of Rs 555 and get access to these 4 inclusive, fully edited invoice templates. So what are you waiting for? Download now.